What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Snack Time. Been a long time coming, haven't filmed an episode in a minute, but we got a decent episode for you guys. Been anxious to try these right now. My son don't know what it is, of course. That's why it's covered up. Now, I don't know how these gonna be, but we're gonna go ahead and figure it out right now. I'm going to let my son see what it is right now.
Before you do, why we got cups?
Oh, you wanna see figure out what we got cups? We're about to find out right now. Bam! Limited edition, the most stuffed Oreos.
I was thinking of like, is it Oreos or something?
It's heavy too, kind of.
Oh my god.
Heavier than the average package because it's like got a lot of the little cream stuff inside of it. I'm not a huge fan of it, but you know, the double stuffed Oreos was good. They had the mega stuff as well, but this is the most stuff. You know, most cream ever. That's what it says. Limited edition Oreos, the most cream ever.
Oreos ought to be this.
On the back, it don't say anything on the back. Just got some other advertisement. I wish it had like a little, something on the back. But that's all it says. Let my son go ahead and do the honors. Peel that bad boy open.
I'm stupid. Now I know why you broke it.
Oh, you asked for the milk. Go ahead and go grab the milk. Or you open that up? Oh, no. Right here. Oh, now.
My bad.
Oh, look.
They is so fat. It's like they put like, you know how like you take the Oreo out, right? And then you have like two Oreos. You take
and he put them together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
that's looks like. That's what it looks.
Dang! That's crazy. That's exactly what it is. It's like two double stuffed Oreos like together.
Bro, they're so fat.
These bad. It's like only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside a row. That's crazy. Look at that.
That is fat.
So whoever be liking these, the cream inside these, you're gonna love these. Oh yeah, the milk. Let's go ahead and pour the milk. You're gonna really love these. Smell test. What do really doing? Smell test, taste test, none of that, because it's Oreos, so it's not really something that we're trying for the first time. But it got the double cream inside that bad bean, so I had to get them.
Okay. They at least should have put like an extra Oreo.
And I'm a milk fan, so
they should at least like put an extra Oreo.
They could have fit extra Oreo inside there. They got a whole little. Actually, as a matter of fact, let me demonstrate. Show you how to get that extra one inside there. Put that on top right there. Bam. Whole extra Oreo missing. So they owe us 3 extra Oreos. You know what I'm saying?
That don't look like 3. That look like. Okay, yeah, it is 3.
There's only 3 lanes. And they come with the Oreo. That's kind of whack, but that's crazy. Look how thick that. How can you even eat that? Because normally when I dip my Oreos, I eat the whole entire thing. But I don't know how I'm gonna do that. First, I'm gonna do half. I'm gonna dip half, and then dip another half, eat it, and then I'm gonna do the whole thing. Pause. The half dip. That's crazy.
Why does Oreo feel so heavy?
That cream, boy.
I can enjoy these all day.
It seemed like it would be overwhelming, but I don't know. That extra cream, I don't know. And sometimes I'm in the mood for all that extra cream, so sometimes I get the regular Oreos, but yeah. What do you think about it?
It is good.
Feel like the cream is overpowering?
A little bit.
Now I'm starting to feel it a little bit. It's a lot of cream. I mean the whole thing now. See how that is.
It's like you taste like sugar.
Damn. Oh, that is a lot of damn cream. That's like half an inch thick.
Man, it's easy to take it. Look how easy that is.
I feel like it takes a long time to eat just one. Is it just me? For real? I feel like it takes me a long time to eat one cookie. That's a whole lot of sugar. I'm telling you how much is one cookie. 11 grams of sugar in one cookie. Is that really one? That's a lot. Yep, that serving size 1 cookie. Yep. If you're a fan of the cream and stuff like that, I guess, you know, these would be good for you. It's not something that you'll buy all the time. You know, I'll buy it probably one more time before they come out and go out of business. Not go out of business, but go out of, you know, off the shelves. So that's gonna do it for our little episode. Limited edition Oreo, most stuffed Oreos. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the most cream ever. So I'm about to say the greatest cream ever.
All of them.